Okay. By the way, I just want to introduce myself before I go further discussion, and also I just want to thank you for clicking this course, and I hope I can give you some value about um, proper financial management. Okay, I'm Edeline Coino. I'm from Inayawan, Cebu City, but I came from Bohol. My origin is I'm from Bohol. I got my license from Insurance Commission last September 2022, and I attended training in estate planning with life insurance, and also I got the training and for being a financial planner. I want to empower more people to have financial literacy para magkaroon tayo ng idea kung paano natin i-manage ng maayos yung finances natin, para iwas stress, para iwas baon sa utang, at of course, magkaroon tayo ng maginhawang buhay. Okay, let's go to financial planning. What is financial planning? It's the process of meeting your life goals through the proper management of your finances. So, kung mayroon tayong gino-goal, like magkaroon tayo ng sariling bahay at lupa, o kaya magkaroon ng sasakyan, o kaya makapag-travel abroad, so kailangan planuhin natin ng maayos yung finances mo. So there are areas of financial planning. First, cash flow management. So dito, i-check natin ang cash flow, ang cash in at ang cash out para mabigyan natin siya ng budgeting plan. Pangalawa, debt management. So hindi naman masamang mangutang, kailangan lang siya ng proper management. At ang golden rule, 20% sa monthly income mo dapat ang utang mo lang. Ganun lang siya. Ang percentage niya is 20%. Risk management, ito yung financial safety net mo. Ito yung transferring of risk to the insurance company when financial crisis come para yung financial loss is mapupunta sa kanila instead sa'yo. Then education plan. So if you're a parent now, so it's our big responsibility as a parent na mapatapos yung anak natin lalo na sa college. Then retirement planning. So syempre hindi naman tayo immortal. So ngayon malakas pa tayo, pero when we become 65 years old, so medyo mahina yung katawan natin, di ba? So gusto na tayo magpahinga. Yung tayo lang yung nagpapahinga, pero yung mga gastos natin ay syempre patuloy pa rin. Kaya kailangan simulan natin yung retirement fund natin ngayon. 6 is estate and tax planning. So kung mayroon tayong mga ari-arian, para mas mabilis yung pag-transfer doon sa mga maiiwan natin, is kailangan talaga tayo na mayroon ito, estate tax planning. Kasi nga, bago yan mag-transfer sa kanila, yung government is manghinga ng 6% na estate tax. Then asset management. So ito yung investment mo dito, i-check natin kung nasa high risk ba siya, lower or medium. So ito yung mga business mo, yung mga mutual fund, IOTF, and MP2. So kasali din dito sa investment. So let's start your financial needs. So i-check natin kung ano yung mga financial needs mo. So mayroong 20 items dito. Pili ka lang ng 3 to 5 items na i-discuss natin. So dito din, if you want to grow and protect and preserve your wealth, pwede din natin discuss through estate planning with life insurance. So kung gusto mo malaman yung mga details dito, so pwede ko din discuss. Then, para naman ma-achieve na yung goal natin, simulan na natin dito pa lang. Kailangan maroon tayong mag-reduce ng mga expenses natin. So this is a free ebook na ibibigay ko sa inyo for free. Then 6 steps to crisis-proof your finances. So mga free din to na ibibigay ko sa inyo. Mga 50 pages to 60 pages lang to na pwede yung basa-basahin. Maraming mga makukuha mo dito na mga practical ways para makapag-save tayo. So, yun lang, at I hope that I give you some important value that this time, that the things that I just shared to you.